Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Avro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how do you speed up a video on iPhone. So it's very simple. Just go to an app which is iMovie. Go to iMovie and pick a video that you want to speed up. So I'm going to pick this one. Click on the edit option which is in the right side and then tap edit clip and then from here scroll and then you will see speed option. Tap on that and speed your video, and then you have to longer your video. After that, if you play, and then your video will be very fast. So okay, so I'm going to play it now and then see my video is speeded up. So this is how you can speed up your video. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.